What's happening? In this video, all the bodywork on the Lexus and the BMW is getting finished.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend. Came on the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
So I'll get stuck straight in and bond the front and rear bumper lips on. I'm going to paint them on the bumpers so I don't end up scratching the bumpers trying to fit them whilst the paint's still pretty soft tomorrow. And it means I don't have to try and set up a stand for them. So I'll stick you guys on a time lapse and get stuck in. So the lips are both bonded on. Now I'm just going to go over the rest of the bumpers with 500 grit and then move on to all the small trim pieces, the door handles, the mirror caps and the rub strips. So that's all the sanding done. I'm just going to mask this grille and the grille on the bumper because the screws on that grille are old and rusty and would never come out, and this one doesn't actually come out of here. It just looks like it would, but it's part of the bumper. So yeah, I'll do that and get it degreased and then start putting some base coat on. And the base coat is on. I am so excited to see this thing go back together. It looks awesome. So yeah, I'm not going to record the clear just because the lacquer gets all over the camera and sort of ruins it. So I'll bring you guys back for the finished result. So I legitimately have no idea how much of that I actually recorded or time-lapsed, but I've covered the car up because we have to paint the side skirts, the trims that go along this part of the roof, and the spoiler, wherever it's at, there. So I'll stick you guys on a time-lapse and we'll get them painted quick time. So I didn't time lapse too much of it, but the car is more or less complete. I've got the indicators on the wings to put in, the fuel cap to put on, and the tail lights and fog lights. But this is the car. I'll go around the back and show you guys a spoiler. So although we have made some sick progress and the car is looking great, there's still wheels, exhaust, indicators and tail lights. We've got to flatten and polish the whole car. We've got to tint the car. We've still got a whole lot more to do. I would show you guys the E36. It's actually finished, bar a couple of badges, but it's not here at the minute. So I'll give you guys an update in the next video. The next video is probably just going to be tinting the tail lights, a short video, and then after that will be the exhaust and stuff. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.